Okay, this is the part 2 of the video. This 15-minute slots is works in conjunction with the individual slots. You will come to know how it works. Like if the dental officer appointment will be there for every 15 minutes, but once booked, 30 minutes will go off the calendar. I hope you got it. So that is how it works. Okay, so this is your team for the medical officer. We got Dr. Bhupinder Sodhi, Vinita Verma, and Sumit Dhillon in the team for medical services. Okay, and location is what is there, resources doesn't matter, and they are all working at the ECHS Polyclinic, Patiala. So, other services, the dental service. Okay, again, same description. Here, the team is only Dr. Sahil Mogla, and his location is also ECHS Polyclinic, Patiala. So this is as far as setting up of the team is concerned. Then we go to team. Each of the team members, I have given the name, his phone number, and allow online booking, and all the settings has been done. Anything doesn't work, we'll set it out, but I think all the settings I have done. Locations, I have given that everybody works at Polyclinic Patiala, and what is important is the working hours. Now here every MO has got from 8:15 to 2:30. This is what I have been working on, and now working with the conjunction of the 15-minute slots, that means their booking will finish at about 2 o'clock. So after that they just see the patient, and after that they are free. So that is all for the dental officer. I have started the I will just show you the team for the dental officer. These working hours I have done from 8:15 just to 2 p.m. not 2:30, because that is how it works, because he has got a longer working if he has a slot at 2 p.m. so he finishes the work by 2:30 or so. This you can change if you want. So this is how I have done it. And for the Sumandeep referral clerk, the working hours are from 9:30 to 12:30, because the MOs are also doing the referral. This is just in addition if you want, or you can even block her. But this is, some patients may want to contact the referral clerk directly, and then she can go to the doctors and get the opinion on the referral. So this is how the team varies. And for you, I have working hours, I have just kept from 9:45 to 1 p.m. That is how someone wants a OIC's slot just for some work, so he can do it on this. So that is how much the OIC should work. And it's not that he's got all the work, but these are the slots for the available for the booking. And Saturday I have kept it off for you. So it is like that. And then as far as the online booking, this is the important settings. This is your link which you have to share with everybody. Okay, so I have got 2 WhatsApp group, and everybody I've got about now 300 members who are on WhatsApp, and plus their dependents, so that about 2000 people odd we are covering with the WhatsApp. This link is now available with everybody in my case. Okay, so now let's go to the settings. This is the welcome message which they will get. This is I have copied my welcome message and changed it, but please go through, because it is in Punjabi and I can't read Punjabi. But I have whatever I can make out, I have changed your link here. Okay, so this is the welcome message, and these are the fields. All these fields they will have to fill what the required fields are. Email is optional, but if the person gives the email, he has the advantage that he gets a confirmation of the booking. Okay, so all these fields are totally keeping in view the cyber security. The letter we got from regional center, so none of these fields has any information which can be connected to the units and all that, so for cyber security only those fields have been kept. But if you want, you can add ECHS card and service number and all that, because these are the details we require. But if you don't want, when they come, then these can be noted down by the reception. So this is as far as the fields are concerned. Then I have given the logo also, and here again there is the slot is 15 minutes, so don't worry about that. That is, it works in conjunction with that. Okay, so here are the reports. Now, you can appointment summary, you can just say today and you can just say show. It will give, since no data is there, nobody is booked. Otherwise you can just export it to a PDF or Excel. And once you export it, I export it every day, and I sent a printout by Wi-Fi to my printer, which is installed in the polyclinic. So before we reach, the PN has already taken out the printout, and then he stands at the gate, only allows those persons who have taken an appointment. So this complete setup has been done, and I have checked it with my own setup. If there is any problem, you let me know. Get used to it. What actually you have to just see is the calendar. That's all. Slots, now they will keep booking. And one thing you have to do is that in the team, go to the roster, and if anybody is not working on a particular thing, just click on that and block that. You can just say working or not working. Okay, so if anybody is going on leave or anybody is not available for a particular time, block that roster 3 days in advance. Because if you see in the online booking, in the settings, I have given 9 hours. So that means your booking will close sometime at midnight today. Okay, so nobody can book after that, and they can book only 3 days in advance. So that means anybody has to plan for just 3 days in advance leave. That's all. And reports I have told you, and that is all about. Yeah, there is nothing much else to this. Just see the calendar here. Everybody just keep the view to daily, and everybody will get his individual view. Share the password with all your team so that they can see this booking. And what your the patients will see is something different. That when they click on this, I'll just show you online booking. When they click on this, this is the welcome message will come. They will cut the welcome message and they will select the service. Medical officer, they will get the 4 doctors. They can select, say, Dr. Bhupinder, and this is how they will get the slots. Okay, and if somebody wants to say select, I just refreshed it, medical officer, somebody wants to go to Vinita Verma, just click on that, and only 3 days. You see here they are just getting 3 days choice. So this is how the system, army headquarter canteens, everything is working on peak time. So it is totally allowed. Thank you so much.